guys, this is Nelson representing Midway Mayhem, and we are here at Six Flags Over Georgia for a Holiday in the Park tour. So let's go in and check it out. So we are in the park now. This is the main entrance. You can't see it very much during the day, but there are lights everywhere. There is a new candy shop that was renovated recently. There are lights everywhere. They have a bunch of Christmas trees. They're all lit up. It looks beautiful at night. And right at the grand center in the front, they have a tree, some wreaths, lots of lights, and they have carolers at the very front that usually sing, do carols, and they're actually really good. So I highly recommend if you come here sometime next year, you check them out because they're really good. Right near Georgia Cyclone's construction area, there's a holiday marketplace where they have a holiday themed gift shop. It's very nice. Here's an example right here. They have a little roller coaster and the sleigh is going up it. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Right around the teaser picture, they have working lights set up around it. Try to get you excited. They have some gingerbread men you can take a picture with. More lights right there. All across this area for Twisted Cyclone, they have lights everywhere. Very pretty. Now we have heard that this entire area around Twisted Cyclone will get renovated. Gene's guess was up to the Flash Pass area. So this whole area up to probably the British, up to the British stroller rental will get renovated, and actually, possibly, he said, rethemed. So fingers crossed, guys, it'll be open March, whenever the park reopens. And they have fire going on right near the Twisted Cyclone construction site. So you can actually hang by the fire and you can actually make s'mores. So it's really, really nice and inviting for the park guests. So here at Holiday in the Park, they actually have hot chocolate where you can buy this cup and it is refillable the day you get it, completely free. It's $8 when you buy it, and then when you come back to the park, it's $1.99 to get a refill. It's very nice quality, and my mother has actually been using it a ton. So she loves their hot chocolate, and I think you guys would too. So over here near Acrophobia, there's even more decorations. They always decorate this little hallway really, really well. During Halloween, they decorated it, and during now, it's just amazing. Look at this. They have the trees going on it. The lighting is just absolutely beautiful. The North Pole Express is Six Flags Over Georgia's Christmas train ride, where you ride the train and you end up in the North Pole. So you go around, you take a half circle, and you end up at the North Pole. You can meet Santa and get pictures with Santa. It is really, really well decorated on it, and it's really nice. They have little signs everywhere of like little sayings, little quotes here and there. It's really nice right here in the greenery, which it really makes you notice the greenery more right outside the train station. This is the train station. It's really nice. It's actually really cool. And with a holiday comes holiday food. So let's go take a look at what food they have. They have similar stuff in each restaurant, but this one in particular, Mystic Seas Depot, is the one that we're visiting in particular because it's usually the least busy. So let's go check out what they have. All right, it's extremely well decorated in here. They have lighting everywhere and they have some nice options. So let's take a look. Yeah, some good stuff. All right, let's take a look at some options. What is this? The broccoli and cheese soup? Mm-hmm. Awesome, some good stuff. How is it? Pretty good? Good. This is the tomato basil soup right here. Uh-huh. How is it?
It's delicious.
Awesome. Would you get it again?
Yep.
Along with the food that they also have desserts, and this is the peppermint bark pretzel. You heard me right. Some good stuff. They have more lights here right near Dahlonega. They have some lights here, some wreathing work it looks like, and they have a nativity scene as you can watch Dahlonega go up and people. That's not Dahlonega. That's Acrophobia. You can see Acrophobia go up and drop with people on it as you look at the nativity scene. So that's pretty cool. It's a really, really pretty nativity scene. They have like the whole story right here. It's really nice. Now, right past the Dahlonega, they actually have a Georgia-themed section. So they have peaches here, they have lighting all across the bushes, but they have little lit up peaches. There are sky buckets running. It all just looks really pretty. They have lighting everywhere, all themed around the peaches in this particular area. So it's really nice looking. Not to mention, during Holiday in the Park, the lines are a lot shorter for some reason. I think it's because it's colder. Everyone just like bails the place, and we actually rode Acrophobia, like a ride now. So this is actually a really great time to come and ride rides without much of a wait. They have a little stocking stuffer store where it's basically all the discounted merchandise, and even Bugs Bunny Boomtown has some decorations. At the Crystal Pistol, they have a show called Because It's Christmas, and it's a very nice show themed around Santa Claus, Jack Frost, and some kids that want their dad home for Christmas. It's really nice. I highly suggest you visit it if you're here. There's a little Coca-Cola freestyle station here where you can get any drink that you want, and they even have it Christmas themed. I mean, they went out pretty much everywhere here. It's pretty intense. Like there's another fire area right over there. It's pretty crazy. It smells like smoke everywhere thanks to that greatness over there. So my family actually just found Dale Ketzel just walking around the park, and he was actually cleaning some things up, and he was checking on some guests, making sure they were all happy. And I went up to him and I spoke to him. I got a picture with him. Might be thrown in right here. If not, I did get a picture with him, and it was, well, he told me some things about the construction, how they're power washing everything, and that's going to last about the next 4 weeks. But in about like a week or two, they're gonna start repainting everything that has been power washed. So all the progress will really start showing then. But in March, he already mentioned everything's going to be done. All the remodeling around Twisted Cyclone, it will all be done. It's so cool to run into Dale Ketzel. So outside of the line for Battle for Metropolis, they have some fake snow along with lightsabers. This isn't Star Wars, go home. No, but they have some fake snow out here. And none of the fans are running, obviously, because it is way too cold out here for that. But they have some nice little Christmas decorations and, for some reason, lightsabers. Monster Mansion, the weirdest ride in the park, has some decorations for themselves. They have some reindeer just resting around in the line. Very busy there. The park's north pole is turning their lights on. You can't see it very well right now, it doesn't look like, but you can get a bit of an idea of how it will look at night. It is absolutely beautiful. So right here is where you meet Santa. They have it named with Santa Claus Cabin, North Pole Express. Well, you're not riding that train, you're riding their train, but you know. The USA area of the park, right where Goliath is, they have like a little Superman, not a Superman, a Santa. It's crazy. And they have Santa right here crossing on reindeer with some lights. So I guess that's how it works. That's how they can fly. They have lights carrying them. And right up here, what is this? So on the construction tour, you could see the red train, and here they have the black train. So there are going to be two, red and black. Goliath's going up now, but that is going to be it. They have it all Christmas decorated, some snow. This is Santa's gift. Very, very, very nice. Okay. There's some snowmen tucked away over here, and a lot of trees. It's so cool. I didn't notice these snowmen before. And there's also snowmen up here on the light post. That's pretty cool. Lots of snowmen. Wow, and it's right here at the diner area, DJ's. Looks like DJ's also has a giant snowman up here, so that's pretty cool. They also have ornaments. It says Retro Christmas USA Holiday in the Park. There's one over there in red. And they have a little show out here. Just look at Daredevil. They have a full-on Christmas tree. Notice something here? Notice the Santa, the lights, the Christmas trees, gingerbread men, some snow. And we're heading back to Gotham City now. All right, we're at Gotham City and we get welcomed with some fake snow. Well, assuming it's fake. I don't think he knows it's fake. The Joker usually has a covering over the queue line, and for some reason it's gone, but hopefully it'll be back for summer, or else everyone's gonna melt in that line. They have swings going, and there are lights everywhere. The Mindbender squirrel is keeping us company. He's not going anywhere. Here's the North Pole at night. It is just amazing. They have lights everywhere. Everything's just lit up all white. It's amazing. And Santa's right in there. Okay, now that I'm back in the peach area of the park at night, I can safely say there are no projections on the ground, but I'm pretty sure these lights make up for it. I mean, it is amazing out here. Lights are everywhere. So they have a manger scene here, full-on nativity scene. I showed you this earlier today, but I did not show that it all lights up. So that is pretty cool. My camera can hardly handle it, but it's very bright. It's really pretty. We're going into the Crystal Pistol for the Christmas show, and if permitted, then I will show you some of it.
If you try to turn around, Jack Frost. When you hear his icy sound, Jack Frost. He's sure to disappear. Then you know Jack Frost is here. When you hear his icy sound, he's sure to disappear.
I can see you.
Oh! It's me, little princess, right this very minute. We need a little Christmas now. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Right within your heart, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Christmas, 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 Christmas. Making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle, jingle, jingle all the way. Run, run, Rudolph, renovates and far behind.
Santa's got a big in town, yeah.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. To see the smiles and hear the laughter. Because it's Christmas, for now and forever. And may all your Christmases be bright.
Wonderful time of the year. It's jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. Wonderful time of the year.
Right here by Georgia Scorcher is the candy cane area. You can see the candy cane trees right here. They have candy canes hung up everywhere. There's a photo op area right here where Log Jamboree usually is. And they have, like I said, lights everywhere of candy canes. And right here they have little candy canes hung. I showed this area near Acrophobia earlier, but it was not night. So there you are. It is absolutely crazy. It's amazing looking. So if we're gonna go on a topic of some crazy Christmas merch, this is one of the top on the list. Yeah, and there's some Santa poop. That is strange. Let's take a look at what's in the holiday marketplace. All right, what have you found in the marketplace? A skeleton onesie.
They only have it in
For
like kids
Christmas.
though.
Oh, there he is. Here it is. Wow, look at that. It's actually really nice. And they have a panda onesie apparently.
It's back here.
A Six Flags panda onesie. You've seen it here first.
That's
Wow, that's fantastic. Okay. I'm the naughty. Okay, they got some interesting merch here. They got some shades. I'm the nice one. So they got some stuff. They got some cool options. Giant stocking. Last time the Johnny Rockets is going to look like this, for all we can tell. And everything is all lit up. It all looks great. Yeah, it's lit up. Okay, well, that is interesting. There you go. Wow. You can see all the everything. You can see everything in here. Wow, that's crazy. All right, we don't know whether or not the Twisted Cyclone sign will be here when March comes around, but just in case, we'll get one last view at Georgia Cyclone. So there you go. All right, guys, well, that is going to do it for us here today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and we will see you guys out here back in March to do a little construction tour. So make sure to subscribe, and we will see you all out on the Midway.